So we're going to be doing some how-to videos. This one's going to involve the Sat Nav. We want to make sure people understand and how to get the most out of their Sat Nav, so they know it's not just an A to Z tool. Some other things that we can do are points of interest. So we go into the little sub-menu with the 3 lines and the triangle, and this time we're going to press points of interest. So you happen to be somewhere that you not local to yourself, you don't know where any bits and bobs are, we can now go in and we can find many different things. So for us, we're going to look for parking. We're going to go to all parking and we're going to look for St Michael's car park. So you can now go through, you can see distances. We want St Michael's. It gives us a little overview of where we're going and we can tell it that is where we want to go. This will now set
starting route guidance,
a destination, and we use it as a standard sat nav so we know exactly where we're going. It's a great tool to use, as I said, if you don't know the area that you happen to be in and you need to find certain things. The final part of this video is to be saving your home address. Going to make it a lot easier if you're traveling to and from places. Rather than having to type your postcode each time, we can have a favorite as your home address. So what we're going to do is one of 2 ways. We can go into the nav menu on the side and we can go into addresses. We are going to put a postcode in. Now never put a house number in. This is for security reasons. If you happen to keep your house keys and your car keys together and they happen to be taken, we don't want anyone to know where the home address is for the keys that they would now have. So at this point here we can set as destination, but what we're actually going to do is we're going to add it to address book. Now we can set it as home because it's not got a house number in. We can now set as destination, but to make it easier, if we now go to nav, we can go to address book, which is now highlighted. We can go to home and destination. This will still give us an overview of how long it should take and how many miles it is away. We now use the sat nav as standard. So on this part of the video, we are going to be going through the traffic settings. In Hyundai Sat Navs, we have a TomTom live system. This enables the sat nav to be told of any potential traffic issues, either roadworks or accidents, and it can replan the route, or at least it can inform you of any delays, give you the optimal route possible. So we're just going to tell the sat nav where we want to go.
starting route guidance.
So at this point, before I set off, I can go into the same settings of the 3 lines and the